and 14 is just depend on your preference. So I'm gonna go ahead and submerging my bristle into the monomer and just pick about a medium size bead, and I'm gonna place it right about 50% of the nails. And immediately I am going to clean the excess powder off of my bristle and then submerge back into the monomer, and just using the belly of my bristle and kind of guide it okay. And cut the powder right there. There's only one thing that I don't like it right now is there's some kind of random fur that is here stuck in the nails. So make sure you blend it right here nicely, so then that way it will be nice when you have a transitioning. I see. I don't know where that come from, but it was there. So I'm gonna just pick it using the tweezer. And you can see that it's just really nice and thin on this connection right here, transitioning. So then when you ombre it, it doesn't look like really like a big lump there. So submerging my bristles into the monomer, I'm gonna go ahead and pick up smaller beads of the banana, and I'm placing right above. Hold on 1 second, don't move. Okay, where you want? And just above of the teal that I just applied, and then I'm gonna go ahead and blend it. And this one I'm go ahead and using the whole belly of the bristle and blend it. This might be a little bit too much, but do not worry, we're gonna blend it really down. Okay.
So let us know in the chat what this remind you of. For me, it's like the beach with really nice and sand and clear water. So you see some of the sand right underneath the water, right at the sandbar, and slowly go to the deep.
Oh, that's a good imagination.
Now we need to do some fish in there. It's perfect. So fish or seashell, maybe some little crab.
Oh my god, thanks for reminding. Maybe let's see if I have some charm on this bag. Can you see it? If the charms on that one, on the mix neon. I'm not submerging again after I blend it really well. Submerging my bristle into the monomer. Pick up another bead.
You have some shell.
You have it there.
Not a shell.
Can I get it? That's from my mix bags from the sub box this month. And you let it like settle for like a few seconds and wipe up your bristle, pick up monomer, and now you're going to blend the second, because the second bead is also important, because I am going to perfect the cuticle area using the second beads. I mean third beads for whole entire that, you know, the application, and the second beads for the banana. I think at number 49. Do I have any shell?
Okay.
Can I have it?
Dig for it?
Or you can put the whimsical here too.
Yeah,
Either tropical.
Like you have a couple star fruit here that you can use.
I feel like it's tiki bar.
There you go. There's a shell right up top.
And more shell.
Yeah. Oh, I gotta pick it out.
Okay, it's okay. I need the picker. So now, if you don't want anything else, you're happy with this, with just ombre with the crystal clear, and seal it. But if you want some, like, it's mirror theme. If you don't have it from the sub box, which is I think you do, then go ahead and get it from the one of the crystal kits.
Yep, if you have any of our crystal kit, you know we have so many, like just metallic shape in there, charm, and everything else. You have just about everything in those.
And then this is the best time to do it now because it's still powder, still setting. So I'm gonna take advantage from that and then add this frame on. Oh my gosh, that's so nice. I got some.
I have the sun here too, but probably you won't need it.
What?
The sun.
The sun?
Mm-hmm.
You think it's gonna be good in here?
Nah, kind of. Oh, that looks so much better. That is a perfect beach.
It's so stunning here.
Mm-hmm. That's a perfect beach. You can throw in like a blue star.
You have the sun. Not with this one.
Yeah, that's the sun.
Oh my god, it's so cute.
Right? That's the perfect beach right there. That's a perfect summer vacation.
Okay, Florida beach.
Yep, for those who don't know, we are located in Pensacola, Florida, known for the whitest beach in America.
So cute. Okay.
It's just beautiful.
So if you like it like this, leave it alone, and we'll cap it with the crystal clear. So I'm was fascinating here with this. So submerging my bristle in the monomer, into the monomer, and pick up about the last beads of the crystal clear. And then important, we are going to cap it where yours, all the metal frame and charms is going to encap. So then that way it will stay nice and wrap with the crystal clear. So when you shape and you buff and everything, it will stay nice and smooth on the surface. Oh, this is perfect. I just he just had me pick it from the little mix bags from the sub box. I love it from lately for last quite few box. I love that we have the mix like variety. Like I feel like it's like a little like a baby mix bags. It's more like a baby mix bag, and but inclusive for the sub on the sub box. So I'm just like cutting using the belly of the bristle and then just remove the excess powder on the free edges of the nails. I'm gonna just like shape it later. But here is it looks cool, huh? Not bad at all.